works with his hands, and you probably think